Spot the tourist. Can't read the thing anyway.
Nick and I headed to a local restaurant where we got to pick amazing local food to try.
That one's got herbs in it, so I want that one.
Okay, it might be easy to pick which one you don't want.
Okay, but I want them. Okay, that one. The Swiss looking Gruyere.
And then probably that, right?
Yeah. Okay, so we got 4 cheeses.
What's that one?
Spicy mezes.
Okay, go that one. And what are these two?
Eggplant tahini.
Eggplant tahini.
Yeah,
Okay.
and this one?
Havuç tarat.
Okay. Maybe just a little bit.
There's other sauces there too, Nick, though, so don't get too carried away. Yeah, a little bit of that. Okay. Are we good? I think that's a lot.
What are we looking at?
That's a lot of food. Finish. This is the final result.
So you don't know what this is?
No idea. I thought it was like a tzatziki. Is that?
You will love that. It's like dill, garlic. Oh my god.
Yeah, so that should be an eggplant dried, I think, and then stuffed with rice and cooked again.
Don't really know how to attack this, but delicious.
We headed to the Spice Bazaar in the Old Town, famous for the array of spices, candies, and other foods that can be found there.
Spot the tourist. Can't read the thing anyway.
As we would be entering mosques, I needed to buy a scarf to cover my hair.
Where'd you go, Haley?
Green.
One of the most famous attractions in Istanbul is the Grand Bazaar. This is one of the first shopping malls in the world and is made up of 4,000 different shops. You can buy pretty much anything you want here, and it was so cool to shop around such a historic market.
Oh, give me a break.
Break. You sound so Canadian.
Come on. Hey. Okay. Thank you very much. Jesus. So it's about 10 o'clock at night, and we're just on our way to Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque, because apparently that's the best time to visit, because otherwise it can be like a 3-hour wait to get in. So headed there now.
I see you.
First up, we headed to the Blue Mosque, which was beautifully lit up at night. This is one of the only mosques with 6 minarets, and it is believed that this was caused by a misunderstanding of the architect.
What do you think, Kylie?
It's very beautiful.
Completed in 1616, this beautiful World Heritage Site has more than 20,000 handmade tiles lining its interior. These tiles are the reason it is referred to as the Blue Mosque, and the building's actual name is Sultan Ahmed Mosque. It was really beautiful to see such an amazing building up close, and we were blown away by the details put into the beautiful structure.
Are you kidding? Far out.
Next up, we went over to the famous Hagia Sophia.
Holy.
Originally built as a church in 537 AD, it was turned into a mosque when the Ottomans finally took over the city from the Romans in the 1400s. The interior is breathtaking and was the world's largest interior space when it was completed. The dome is 30 meters across and it is 55 meters above the floor at its peak. Beautiful designs cover the walls and domes, and frescoes of angels can still be seen, while images of Jesus Christ and Mary have been covered over with sheets. While we were there, the call to prayer rang out, and the mosque was filled with praying Muslims. It felt really special to witness a prayer in such a holy place.
الله أكبر سمع الله لمن حمده الله أكبر الله أكبر.
One of the best ways to experience the city is to take a river cruise. We booked a tour and headed off, and we got to see some of Istanbul's most famous buildings from a different perspective. One of the coolest things about Istanbul is that it is the only city in the world that is split between 2 continents, Europe and Asia. We followed the river from along the European side and ended up in Asia by the end of the tour. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to see our upcoming Turkey videos.